Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gents, hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to another Jacob Crypto Bio video. Today we can look at Solana and we're going to hop into some amazing news, some real massive news which is going to give Solana some real long-term growth potential, I should say. And yeah, before we do dive into those juicy bits, let's please smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and let's crack on. So why Solana could be the cryptocurrency to own in 2022. Here's why long-term investors may want to look at this recent dip as a buying opportunity for Sol. One of the best performers in 2021, which we all saw how this performed, and it was absolutely incredible. If only most of us did get in at the beginning, but it has a rapidly growing ecosystem. The network is growing more and more. Its Solana features smart contract capabilities coupled with proof of stake validation protocol. So similar to Ethereum, different decentralized finance projects can be created on Solana. Hence, this cryptocurrency has witnessed significant growth in its market share lately. And it's clearly, well, it's easy to see. You just got to look at that price, look at the wallet holders, look at the community growth, and Solana is really good given its cost, speed, and NFT integration, which we'll highlight on more very soon. So the bottom line, Solana is a robust and massively expanding blockchain network. However, similar to all of other cryptocurrencies, this token provides a high risk, high reward opportunity. Those looking to invest in Solana amid this mass market de-risking should be aware of these risks. So, you know, you should still always be risk adverse regardless, but now we're in this sort of downtrend. It's possibly a good time to, you know, consider accumulating. So OpenSea may also host some Solana NFTs, which is really cool to see. OpenSea to support Solana NFTs. The leaked images shared by hacker and blogger Jane Manchun Wong suggest that OpenSea might soon offer support to Solana NFTs. I mean, this is really big to see. The NFT hype. If Solana can jump onto this as well, it's only going to bring more and more people into the ecosystem, and I think it's just going to be extremely good all around. So they also display on OpenSea supporting the Solana friendly Phantom wallet. The images also depict Solana listed as one of the additional blockchains supported by OpenSea. That will be absolutely insane, guys. Another quick one, just a little quickie. Solana Labs unveils plans for new flow control to upgrade to resolve network congestion. So basically, you got the big tech heads, the big brainiacs behind. I'm not going to read through all of this, but basically there's concerns over the network's ability to handle the upcoming growth. So the team behind there are just going to ensure that it's scalable and can be handled, you know, correctly, accordingly. So let's hop into those juicy charts. Before we do, massive thanks to Mud, Peter, Alcara, Jordan Barber. Really appreciate the support. If you want to become a patron, you can find that down in the description below. Price for coffee, receive your free ebook, receive one-on-one support, receive Discord access, and much more. So Solana is trading at $97, pretty juicy. $97.08. Oh my god, whopping 30.5 billion market cap, and we rank 7. So no doubt this is still one of the stronger coins in the whole of the crypto space. 30 days we're down 43%, but on the 24-hour we are up 8.5%. So we're slowly getting that bounce back. Solana, we did a video on this a few days ago. We were trading around $100, so we did come down to the 79 level. We lost that support at $86, but we didn't come down to the support level at 66, which is good. So we've still got that $124 resistance range, well, about 126 really, and that's what we want to look at potentially retargeting. We got all this volume coming, which is really good for Solana, so the eyes are back on the prize, and we're forming a bit of a double bottom here. If we were to just draw these up, you can see these higher lows, but at the same time we've got the, you know, the lower highs, so we're kind of converging along here. We're back above this diagonal support, so things are looking good for Solana. I don't think we're going to come back down to the 86, 85 support zones. I think we should start seeing some onwards and upwards from here, but it's important that we trade sideways. We skate across this way before kind of retouching this $125 level. If we go into the daily time frame and we pull up that Fibonacci extension from where we were before, from this swing high, probably right here, you can see, you know, that falls perfectly on that 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is a really bullish time to be accumulating more. Not financial advice, duh. But, you know, these are the bigger price targets we got up here at $319, $299, and around $277. They are our price targets, but they could happen much later on in the year. I think it's important we trade sideways, because this very much, you know, this correction, maybe you would beg to differ, but it's a 67, 68, 69% correction. But it really reminds me of this correction here, which was also 65% correction. So it's pretty much, you know, if we can trade for 100 days, I know it sounds extremely boring, but 100 days sideways here, if we can just translate that into our current accumulation phase, the most realistic way to look at this is by using the historical data we got here and assume that we might just trade sideways for the next 100 days, all the way until May, before we start seeing those impulses. So something a bit like, you know, it's all irrelevant, because you just see this as a DCA opportunity. It doesn't really matter, as long as the end goal is something like that. You know, as long as all of this doesn't matter, it's just noise, it's a blip. Look at it on the weekly time frame. Just see this as a nice accumulation opportunity, just like this one here was back in June. So that's the way I'm looking at it, guys. I don't know how else to explain to you. I hope you can agree with my insights. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. I don't truly know. But that's my video on Solana here, guys. So long term, extremely bullish within this bull market. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You got some of my resistance levels, support levels there. And you know that I'm long-term bullish, and I'm sure many other people are, especially with the news that we highlighted. So if you do like the video, smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Leave comments down below, make suggestions, and we'll touch up on it soon. See you guys.